If you're hunting for an ultra-wide gaming monitor that performs like a beast right out of the box, you found it. This is the LG Ultragear OLED 34GS95QE. And yes, it's OLED. You already know what that means. Deep blacks, rich colors, and stunning contrast. Let's talk about it. First, the picture quality. Since this panel is OLED, every pixel lights itself up. That gives you true blacks, not dark gray blacks, but actual nothingness. An incredible separation between shadows and highlights. Now, as for brightness, this monitor tops out at around 550 nits. That might not sound mind-blowing, but remember, this isn't a living room TV. For a gaming monitor, that's perfectly solid, and HDR content still looks fantastic. Resolution-wise, you're looking at 3440 by 1440 pixels with a 21:9 aspect ratio, the sweet spot for ultra-wide immersion. The screen's got an 800R curvature, which is more aggressive than most. It really wraps around your vision, pulling you right into the scene. Perfect for sim racers, cinematic adventures, and single-player epics. But don't be fooled. The extra width can give you a competitive edge in shooters and multitasking setups alike. Color-wise, this Ultragear covers 99% of the DCI-P3 color space, giving you vibrant, accurate tones well beyond standard sRGB. That's not just great for gaming, it's a blessing for creative work like color grading, photo editing, or video production. Basically, it's not just fun to look at. It's reliable for serious work too. Now let's talk performance, where OLED really flexes. Response times are nearly instant, clocking in as low as 0.03 milliseconds under ideal conditions, of course, but typically hovering around 0.1 to 0.5 milliseconds, which is still ridiculously fast. Combine that with a 240Hz refresh rate and you're in for a buttery smooth gameplay with no ghosting in sight. And yes, both AMD FreeSync Premium Pro and NVIDIA G-Sync are supported, so screen tearing practically gone. Connectivity is solid too. 2 HDMI 2.1 ports, 1 DisplayPort 1.4, 1 USB Type-B port, 2 USB Type-A ports, and a combo 3.5mm audio jack for your headset or mic. Everything you'd need for a clean, versatile setup. Now for the price, it's currently around $850, though it's been seen as high as $900 and as low as $700, which honestly is a steal. If you can catch it on sale, grab it. But if $850 feels fair for what you're getting, and it really is, check out the link in the description box below, or simply you can just scan this QR code to check it out on Amazon right now. This has been Marty, and I'll be seeing you on the next video. Cheers!